3D printing is a big part of what we do at Hardware Park. We work with medical device technology companies who need help bringing their concepts into reality, and 3D printing is of course an excellent tool for helping us do that. The first step in that process is usually our Bamboo X1 carbon machines. These are more consumer grade printers, but they're very dependable. I can set a part running overnight and know that I'm not going to come to work the next morning to a pile of plastic spaghetti on the plate. You can think of these as creating sketch parts. So early in the process, when you're trying to figure out what a part should look like, how it should fit, what features it should have, you can model it, you can print it out on one of these printers, and if you don't like it, remodel, try again, and you're only out a little bit of time and a little bit of plastic. When the parts are ready to move to the next stage, we have other printers on site that help us make those more concept-ready, testing-ready parts. One printer that we have prints in carbon fiber impregnated nylon, which makes for great strong parts. It can also print with continuous fiber fiberglass and carbon fiber as well. And we also have a resin-based printer that lets us print in lots of different materials, but also gets really, really fine details that some of the filament-based printers can't get. So if you're an engineer, designer, or founder with a medical tech device idea, come talk to us at Hardware Park. We'd love to find out how we can help bring your ideas into reality.